bubble up now. Bubble up, bubble up, bubble up now. Bad girl, big bumper, pretty cute face, I fi fuck that. Ride it, bubble up now. Push it in hard up.
Guys, I'm back at Jamaican with mama, the big body girl. Come here, so big body girl. Oi. The big body girl. Yo. When she walking that fast, I'm trying to get her my vlogging. Say hi, mom. So yeah, she about to pay for my dress, and we about to go get my dress. I may not vlog that because y'all gotta tune in. Y'all gotta stay tuned. My birthday is not until like 4 weeks, so you gotta wait. We got one of my subscribers gotta buy me a wig too for my birthday. But I'll get back to y'all. That shit is fire. So yeah, I recorded my dress, but I'm not even gonna show it. I'm gonna just show y'all the one that my mom tried on, even though this is not the one that she's gonna be wearing. I was fooled for this. This is what I wanted yesterday, and she didn't give it to me. So guys, I did not do an intro to this video because it was supposed to be added on to my first YouTube video, but I just decided to make it 2 separate videos. So let me do my intro right now. Hold on. Come on. Even though it's like, what time is it? It's 2:25 right now, y'all. And I'm editing for y'all. Okay. But hold on, let me do my intro. What's up, guys? It's your girl, Bad Girl D, and I'm here with another YouTube video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Put your bell notifications on so you get notifications every time I post. Love y'all. Enjoy the video. Y'all, I'm back. Y'all, I'm back. I know, right? Last clip I said I was mad tired. I'm going to sleep and this and that and this. Yeah, y'all. Well, I was like, you know what? I can't let my peoples down like that. Like, for me, I promised them I was going to drop this video and it's coming soon. And I promise you I'm going to finish it. Like, consistency, bro. All right, let's get right into it. Let me see what question I want to do first. What I want to do first. Let me see. I actually wrote some down. Let me see. What will you be posting on your YouTube channel? That is a great question. Thank you to whoever asked that. I will be posting vlogs, get ready with me, U-Haul, try on U-Hauls, pranks, challenges, any and everything you could think of. Any content that will make you guys tune in and enjoy it, I'm gonna do it only for y'all. Like, that's how much I love y'all. Like, you love me back? If you love me back, go like right now and comment. Like, I'm gonna be posting wig tutorials, wig installs, because if you don't know, I do have a business doing wig installs, and I do have actually a new business coming. See, nobody knew that, and y'all the first ones to know, okay? But yeah, that's basically what will be on my channel. And as I start my new business, I will be posting about that too, and how to start, and for my new beginners and all that stuff, because I love giving back and I love giving advice and all that stuff. So why not help others? For me, if you've been through it already, you've been through experience, why not help others that haven't, is trying to go through it? For me, like, don't be stingy, don't be shy. Yeah, my hair look real crazy right now, so don't even try coming for me, because okay. The next one that I see is, what's the meaning of your name? Honestly, what do you mean by that? Like, my name that I go by, or my actual name? I'm gonna just say both. So, what's the meaning behind my name? My real name is Deasia, if you ain't know. Deasia. Let me say it right, like how my mom actually made me to be. It's Deasia, but everybody calls me Deasia. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I can. There's not a J in my name. It's a sha. Deasia. Deasia. Okay? Don't get it right. Don't get it wrong. Get it right. Okay? But yeah, that's my name. Deasia Winter. I'm not saying my middle name. I almost said it because I'm just so proud of my name. I love my name, honestly. But yeah, I go by Winter. So if you don't know, my name is Winter. A lot of people can't pronounce my first name. So yeah, but where did I get that name from, Deasia? My mom said she made it up. But as I got older, I realized that people have my name. That's older than me. So I'm like, how you make it up? Like, it's not making sense. Maybe you made up how to spell it. But baby girl, there's people older than me that got my name. And I got Bad Gal D because Rihanna, my mother, her name on Instagram is Blood Gal Riri, so she has it as BADGALRIRI. I don't like the GAL, so I put the Y, Bad Gal D, because my name is Deasia D. For me, that's where I got it from. So yeah, and then the Winter, because you know my Instagram, yeah, that's where it is. And plus, I go by a bad girl because I'm a little bad man, I'm a little gunman, you know? Me a bad girl. I'm a little bad man, I'm a little gunman, feel me? No, I'm sorry. But yeah. Yeah, y'all. If you ain't know my nationality, that could be another question too. My nationality is Jamaican. If you ain't know, well now you know. Like, big up, big up, big up, big up.
What?
Wow, I was about to mess that up.
Bro, what are
you
you
ain't
talking
know too,
about, man?
I don't speak good patois, but I speak it better than others, so don't even try to come from me for me, like, but when I'm mad, that should be kicking in. I ain't gonna lie, like, don't get me mad, because that, for me, like, yeah. But, let me see. Do you have a dog? No, I don't, but if you want to get me one for my birthday, which is coming up, you go get me one. Thanks. But, yeah, my birthday is September 18th, so if you want to give me a dog, go ahead. I may or may not do a video on what I want for my birthday, because I got this idea from my sis Osa. She did it for Christmas, her Christmas list. So yeah, why not do it for my birthday? Because that's a holiday too, right? Yeah. So y'all being mad for her, I ain't gonna lie. Who the last guy you text? That's crazy. My favorite body part. I don't know. Like, I don't know. I don't know. My eyes. Yeah, that's my favorite part of my body. Like, my eyes, because that, especially my lashes, I be like... One thing you can't survive without, my mother. That's my heartbeat, as you can tell. Like, 1, 2... That's my sis. We locked in forever. I actually just bought her something for her birthday. Well, technically I ain't buy it, but I can't even show y'all because she might wear this for her birthday. Just know sis gonna pop out. Like, we have the same style because I was dead about to buy that. She was like, no, buy it for me. You buy it. Like, who you think you are? Like, when's your birthday? I already said that. September 18th, big Virgo season. Stop playing with me. Are you straight? Very much so. Where do you work? Oh my god, I get this question so much. Like, and I just get so irritated because it's like, how many times y'all gonna ask me? Like, obviously I'm in the health field. I work in the health field, okay? I am a medical assistant. I've been a medical assistant since I was in high school. Well, I graduated out of that in high school. So yes, yeah, I work for Northwell. Don't ask me how much I get paid because I got asked that so many times. I feel like that's so, it's not disrespectful, but like, baby girl, what you doing? Like, I'm dead chatting right now. But yeah, I work for Northwell as a medical assistant, and I'm in the neurosurgery department. So how did I get there? Maybe that'll be a whole nother video. Maybe I'll make that a whole nother video about my job experience, because that right there is a whole, yeah, that's what happens when you're spoiled. But yeah, and I also work at 7-Eleven by my house. which is annoying but not annoying because I have like my neighbors and like people that I used to go to high school with. Like this past week I've been seeing a lot of people that I went to high school with, and it just felt so good to see them again. Like, damn, I haven't seen y'all mad long. Like, how you been? Like, that's crazy. People having kids with me now and all that. Like, damn, like, when y'all about to get married, can I come to the wedding? Like, why wasn't I invited to the baby shower? Like, dang, like, y'all just all growing up on me. Like, me next? What is my main goal in life? To have generational wealth. Just make sure my family's set, honestly. Get ready to have my own things going on, like my own apartment, own car. Well, I have that already, but yeah, all that good stuff, y'all. My business to prosper, and just for me to be more serious with God, like, for me. And I'm trying to think anything else, like long and short term goals. Y'all look so crazy. But yeah, y'all. What's my favorite color? Purple! Purple is my number one favorite color. As you can see, let me flip it a little. You see, got the Bud Girl D, all that good stuff for me. It says, welcome to Deasia Sweet 16 Winter Wonderland. My three main favorite colors is purple, gray, and yellow. Those are my three favorite colors. Purple. I'm so obsessed with purple. I ain't gonna lie. But I love wearing white and blue and pink. Those, like, my biggest pet peeve, when people lie to me, when people chew with their mouth open, when I have to repeat myself more than once, like, just stop talking to me. Like, when people, a lot of shit irritate me. I ain't gonna lie. Like, a lot of stuff irritates me. It be the simplest stuff, like, just get out my life at this point. Like, I don't know how people put up with me, and I don't know how I put up with people, because maybe that's why I don't got no friends, because I'm just so, I be doing too much. And I don't be doing too much. Like, it's honestly those people, like, no, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm trying to think of any other, when people drive slow, get off of the bomber clock, but where y'all don't drive slow for, eh? Wrong with you? Why you can't turn out your yard? Will you be having any guests on your channel? Oh, that's a good one. Of course I'll be having people on my channel. It's not gonna just be me. Y'all gonna be sick and tired of seeing me. Like, of course I'm gonna have people on my channel, whether it's females, males, friends, not friends, like people from my past, like people I used to be friends with. Maybe they pop up on my channel one day. You never know. You never know. I'm trying to keep this channel juicy. I'm trying to keep it alive, going well and strong. Feel me? People you probably thought I had beef with, like, you never know. People you probably thought I was talking to, like, you never know. You never know. Like, how old am I? I am currently 20 years old. And my birthday is in 29 days. Let me stop. But nah, yeah. My birthday is in 29 days, and I'm currently 20 years old, and I'll be 21 in 29 days. September 18th. Just wait on it. Like, just tune into that, y'all. What's my favorite food? Spaghetti and seafood. Those are my two favorites. Like, all my stuff. I seen this and I answered it on my Instagram. Somebody asked me if I ever had surgery. Now, who told you my secret? Who told you my secret? Like, how you know I had surgery? You, like, who told you my secret? I kept it low. Like, I really kept it low. Like, I even posted my 6-week post-op. Like, when it was looking like natural or whatever. Because, you know, I got a skinny BBL. If y'all ain't know, I got a skinny BBL. Okay? And my veneers is coming next. You feel me? So, like, nah, I'm just kidding, y'all. I don't know who asked me that, but I ain't getting no surgery. Like, it's straight flat. It's straight, like, I don't know what type of surgery y'all thought I had, like, but I never had no surgery, knock on wood. Cause, yeah, I don't know what y'all was talking about, but that was not, I don't know where y'all got that from. Like, not a question, but you seem like great vibes. Thank you so much. Like, I am great vibes. Not to brag, but I'll be best you've ever had. I don't brag. I see you getting thick over there. What you be doing? Eating. Okay, y'all. So it looks like it's about to be the end of the video. So thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know what you want on my next video, like what you guys want to see. And I'm going to try to be consistent. Not try. I am going to be consistent. Like for a Fendi fact, I'm going to be consistent. And I promise y'all that. Subscribe. Make sure y'all like the video. Make sure y'all comment. Because this is our bad girl thing. And our bad man thing. And you guys are bad girls. I'm a bad mans. For me? That's what I'm going to call y'all. If y'all want me to call that, let me know. Dude. Oh my God, my baby on fire. But yeah, y'all. Thank you for tuning in. I love y'all. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.
Bubble up.